chicos, pero acompañadme conmigo para un poema para el día 31. Inglés, ya hablo fatal inglés. Mira, os les digo, es Annabelle Allan Boy. Oh. Es como 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 putos trozos. Espera que se enfoque. 6 putos trozos de esto, bro. 6. Pues vamos a. Ya me lo he oído 3 veces. Y mi madre me ha dicho 4 veces. Pero vamos a leer otras 2 con vosotros. Vamos a empezar. Annabelle, ¿sabes quién es? ¿Vale? Annabelle murió con 13 años. La muñeca es, ¿vale? La muñeca diabla esa de Annabelle. Pues es esa. Esa niña murió con 13 años. Y supone una leyenda, ¿vale? Que su alma fue a una muñeca, que es Annabelle. Se supone que es eso. Pero vamos allá. Derra. Ahora es un poeta. Me la manda el estilo. Vale. It was a many. No, aquí no. Annabelle Allan Boy. It was a many years ago, in a kingdom by the sea, that a maiden there lived whom you may well know by the name of Annabelle. And this maiden she lived with no doubt to love a babe me. Os lo juro, ¿vale? Lo fatal inglés, ¿vale? I was child and she was a child in this kingdom by the sea, but were loved with a love that was better than love. And my Annabelle with a love them with serving in our covet scene. And this was the log in this kingdom by the sea. I would blow out of cloud children. My beautiful Annabelle to talk well from kinsmen come and were away from my to should have hope in a sepulchre in this kingdom by the sea. They are now so happy in our when we are May. Yes, the reason as may note in this kingdom by the sea, take the wind count of the cloud by night with children a King Jones. My Annabelle. Que tengo aquí algo. Ay, da igual. Yo tengo agua. Espera, ya. Vale. Están discutiendo eso. But of love it was a song by Fortan the Love. Of those words our order was way of many what we said that way, and ate the agents in ever were not the sound. Esperar, ¿vale? Que va a entrar mi perro. ¿Por dónde íbamos? Ya me pide. Wait hour, no the demons down in the sea. Canaver discover my soul from the. Ahí estoy pisando algo. Soul of the beautiful Annabelle. For the moon never were dreams we don't behind my dreams of the beautiful Annabelle and the star never returned, but I heard the big edges of the beautiful Annabelle and saw the team lit drawn by the seed of the drying, my darling, my life and my breath in the sepulchre there by the sea, in where down by the secondary sea. ¡Oh! Leído todo, nos toca otra vez. No pasa nada. Vamos a relajarnos. Empezamos otra vez. Annabelle and Lampoy. I was many and many years ago in the kingdom by the sea, take a maid the lip warm you might know by the name of Annabelle, and this maiden she lived with no thought, thy love and loved by me. I was children and she was child in the kingdom by the sea, but but well loved with a love that was more than love. I am by Annabelle with a love that the Queen shared in convert her and me. I me. And this was the reason that long ago in the kingdom by the sea I was blew out of cloud children by beautiful Annabelle. So they were winds, bronze, kingdom, come and borne her away from me, to shoot hope in sepulchre in the kingdom by the sea. The angels note of happy in the bed engine and my yes. Yes! That was reason, as I may know in the kingdom by the sea, that the queen came out of the cloud by children kingdom by Annabelle, but all is a stronger by for take the love of the toes were all atom way of many was Israel that way, and nine the angels are over. Now the demons down on the sea can ever disperse my soul from the soul of the beautiful Annabelle. For the money never between wisdom behind my the dreams of the beautiful Annabelle, and the star never risen, but I fear the bridgeman edge of the beautiful Annabelle. And so I the team I lay down by the side of the drain, my drink, my life and the breed. In subquarter there by the sea, in the in earth tomb by the second sea. Terminé. Y antes de acabar este vídeo, porque deberíamos decir, yo decir que vayáis a ver el vídeo que he hecho, que es de Minecraft, sí, es de Minecraft y os va a encantar, ¿vale? Pues, como digo, chao y no nunca dejes de soñar, chao.